The EcoFuse Defender case is built to last, designed to protect by using 2 layers of protection. A soft silicone layer that absorbs shock and a hard plastic outer shell secures and protects. Our case also includes a durable belt clip. EcoFuse Defender case provides a 360 degrees protection. It's got impact protection and it's scratch resistant, and it covers all sides of the device. It's got vibrant designs and secures to a belt, a bag or a clipboard. The case comes with 4 picks, 3 plastic and 1 silicone. This is how you put it on. Put your phone in the bag, then attach the front plastic part, click it on. The front part also has a screen protector built in. Then put on the silicone case. Make sure that you put the small silicone under the plastic bits, like this. Repeat on the other side. This case also comes with a protective plastic front with a belt clip. If you want to use this, click it on the front like this. On the back of this case is also a stand, so you can have your phone in a standing position. And you can also twist the belt holder 360 degrees like this. And it's going to make that sound. Included with this case is a silver stylus and an EcoFuse cleaning cloth. To purchase this, click on the link down below.